How to deposit check with Bank of America app. To deposit a check with Bank of America app, you just want to log in, select deposit check and endorse the check and sign in. So first thing first, you want to log into your Bank of America on your device. After you're logged in, you then want to select deposit check options. When you do that, you then want to go ahead and sign the back of your check and write for mobile deposit only. As you do that, you then want to tap front of the check and position your device over the check, and the app will automatically take a clear photo. Once you do that, you would then want to go ahead and capture the back. So tap on back of a check and repeat the photo process for the endorse back. Select the account for the deposit and enter the check's amount. Once you've done that, you then want to review and submit. So confirm the details are and correct and tap on the submit button. You will see an immediate message that the deposit is processing, and an email confirmation will follow. And that's how you should be able to deposit check with Bank of America app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.